doing Christmas crafts. Yay! We got this kit from Oye Happy. You can see it's a DIY. Magnets from the North Pole.
How cool!
Do you think Santa will have?
Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to check.
Yeah.
So we picked this up from Amazon for $6.99, and these double up as both Christmas tree decorations and as fridge magnets, right?
Yeah, that's so cool. So after Christmas, if you want, you can just put it on your fridge.
Yeah,
Or if you
that's so
don't
cool.
want to put one on your tree, you can just stick it on your fridge or cupboard.
That's true. So can you open it up and show us?
It came with this also.
With a
But we are going
brush?
to This is the instructions and it shows what colors you need. That's so cool to help.
Yeah. These are the actual ornaments and they are all MDF wood cutouts. Nice.
We have this
The thread to actually make the loops.
super glue.
Okay.
And we have two types of magnets. So this one is a thread and this one is
A strip of magnetic. Oh, nice. So you have real magnets as well. That's fun. So we can use either one that of our choice. And what else is there? Ooh, 6 shades, and all of them are Christmas colors. This is going to be a lot of fun to do.
yeah.
So let's get to it.
Yes. We have 11 of these and look, Santa came.
Yay, that's so cute.
Now let's get started. But before we put the paint on, we have to use white. Why, you ask? Because they say if you put white on top of all of these, then the colors will be nice and bright.
Yeah, because all the other colors will come on top of white and it'll look more bright and vibrant.
Yeah. We have painted all of these white and now we are going to start with the candy cane.
So we've done both sides. Show the other side. Yes, nice.
I like this because most of the ornaments that we put on Christmas trees, they break very easily. And in these, you can just keep the memory of the Christmas with you by putting it on your cupboard or the fridge.
Yeah, so this way you always have a memory of that year's Christmas with you.
Yeah, and you can use it again.
Mm.
We are done and these are dry. Look at the Christmas tree.
So cute.
Which one is your favorite?
My favorite has to be Santa.
I think my favorite is the Rudolph.
The reindeer.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. And we are going to be putting the threads on so you can put it on and
tree.
hang it on the tree.
Yes, we'll tie them up and be right back.
We have looped them, but the thread that came with it was a little too small.
It was very less, the quantity.
So we used wool.
Yeah, and we made those little loops. And they look so cute. They're going to look awesome on our tree.
Yeah.
You know? And we have also stuck the magnets behind so that as soon as we are done with Christmas, we can actually just put it up on the cupboard or on the
Fridge.
yes. Pravi, what did you like the most about this activity?
I like the painting part because it was fun
For you, I guess it was the only part that you needed help with was to make those knots
Hi.
and see who's back and liking the ornaments.
Hey Fluffy, do you want an ornament stuck on your tail?
Yee.
He loves this the most.
Yeah, it does.
Leave it.
Okay, Fluff. Go.
Can you please move?
Go, Fluff. Go. Go. Pravi, ask him to go.
No.
Hmm.
No.
Chalo,
Here
jao.
on mine. This is an example of how it looks on the Christmas tree.
Yeah, and it looks really, really beautiful.
Look, there's a tree on the tree.
Yes. Looks really good. Wasn't this fun to do?
Yeah, it's so pretty and even the cats love it.
Yeah, this guy is like just stuck here.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And look at my other videos. Bye. See you next week.